Good morning, good morning. It is Made Easy Monday. Made Easy Monday. And today we are gonna make easy with one of our new kit collection kits. And so I have it here ready to go. So today's kit, let me just open it up for us. It is the A Look Back Kit. A Look Back Kit. And it is this really fun kind of journaling, note-taking. You can use it for so many different things. I have not even opened it yet because I was so excited to open it with you all. Hey, Brandy, good morning. Do you have this kit yet, Brandy? Isn't it a fun kit? I'm going to open it all up. So we've got our fun journal book. Oh, I think I have it upside down. Our fun journal book. And so inside it's got like an opening page. Hey, Cheryl. Of course, it's super cute pink and polka dots. Love that. And it's got all these different pages with some things already printed on them. Lines that we could, note take, journal, all kinds of things, pre-printed images and backgrounds. Just beautiful, right? Colors even. I mean, there's so much we could do with this. So fun. So we've got this piece. We've got our goodie package here. So let's open that. We've got some adhesive. So really everything comes in here, just like all our other kit collections. They're all inclusive to include everything that we need. So there are these great laser cut punch outs, die cuts that we have. So let's look at those. We've got some fun journal pieces. It looks like there's 2 of each. Got some green and stripes. Pretty flowers. Look at this die cut. Pretty flowers, right? And a couple of those. Some tag pages that we can do and some more flowers. Cute hearts. And some floral. Some more of those. We'll just flip through these. Some great journaling pages. Look, little cute ticket, die cuts. Cheryl, did you get this kit? I love this one. This is, look, it's gonna make like a fun pocket, like a fun little envelope pocket, so we could keep a little treasure in there. And oh, I love these type pockets. So these are kind of like the pockets in the travel journal kit that we did last week or the week before, where we just fold in these already scored for us lines. We just fold those in, add a little bit of tear and tape on those, and then they can become a fun little pocket in our page to hold some goodies, right? Some treasures. Okay, then we've got some more adhesive. We got some glue dots, some more beautiful die cuts, some lettering, and let's see. These are already adhesive backed. So we've got some fun letter symbols in that gold metallic, some foliage, some hearts, and some scalloped banners. Super cute. Love those leaves. Here's the letters. I knew there was letters in here. So we could I could put my name on this, and these are all adhesive backed as well. So kind of a thick sticker that we can really personalize some of this stuff. And then we've got some sayings in a couple of different languages here. Let me find the English one so I can read it. So we've got all these different journaled words, also adhesive. Journey and today, hello, moments, lovely, smiles, everyday life, I heart you. How cute, right? Some of them are upside down. Autumn and spring and summer. Chase your dreams. Oh, I love that. I love that. Okay, we've got some cardboard. And then my favorite sheet in all of our kit collections is this sheet. So it's kind of an instruction and inspiration sheet. So it's going to show us how to put this cute pocket together and give you some ideas there. Of course, you can go wild, go rogue, and do your own thing, but it gives us some ideas there on how to journal. And then down here are some inspiration ideas that show us how they added photos and journal cards. They put their photos in these little pockets, decorated some of those title pages, all kinds of fun. So let's see. Why don't we just start? I'm gonna fold this up a bit. So look, it could be a Mother's Day journal. It could be, you know, you could really make this like a memory book. So if you had a party, everybody could sign or decorate a page for the guest of honor. I mean, we could do all kinds of things. So on this one, let's see, it has us flip to, looks like a lined page. That's a cute one. Is it the scalloped one? It is. So it's this pretty scalloped page here. So I hope you can see that. Looks like it is basic beige and white. So that's a great neutral. Hey, Marianne. And then this one's going to have us use this fun pocket. So you can see here in these instructions that it's going to have us put tear and tape. Here's our pocket, just like the picture. And we're gonna put some tear and tape just on these sides here. So let's grab our tear and tape. We'll just put this page together. I'll be right on track with my journaling. This would be a super cute notebook too, like, you know, a training notebook. You put all your notes and it could be cute. It doesn't have to be just a boring notebook, right? That is probably what I will use mine for. And then I'll put little, in these little pockets, I can put little special things that I need to not forget, right? Okay, so we're gonna take off the tear and tape from the backing from these two that we just put on. We're gonna fold those in on the score lines. Flip it around just like so, and then all we have to do now is close this top pocket right over where we put that tape. So now we've got this little cute envelope. I love that. So beautiful. So this is a brand new kit in our kit collection from our October kit release. So every October 24, every month Stampin' Up! Releases 2 new kits. They have been releasing 2 new kits, which is so fun because we need new ones every month, right? And, you know, just a thank you to all of you who choose me to be your demonstrator and who order from my online store. I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much for all your support, your likes, your watching, your sharing these with your friends. And that just makes me so happy. So thank you. So now we're just putting a little bit of this tear and tape just right on the back of this beautiful black and white leaf. So we're going to just peel off the backings of those, and we're kind of just putting this pocket together first. I love these Made Easy Mondays because, you know, everything is already here for us. We don't have to think like, oh, am I gonna need all these supplies? Am I gonna have to purchase all this stuff? No, it just all comes in this box. Super affordable. What a great gift if you have, you know, teens, grandkids, or daughters. If you have daughters-in-law, what a fun little activity you guys could do like together, right? Okay, so I'm just looking for these flower images So for this one, looks like we're gonna use two. We're gonna use one of these and one of the darker ones. And then we need some of the leaf pieces. And what I love about all of these kit pieces is there's always extra. So you can use them for a next project. You can, oh, it's underneath everything. Here's the leaves. You could use them for a next project. I mean, there's all kinds of options that we can do with those, right? Okay, so two of those leaves. Then we will need one of these guys here, one of these borders for us, and then we need a black and white one. So easy that we can just pop these right out, right? No die cutting, no thinking, just easy peasy. Easy peasy. And then we'll use some of our word stickers here. So let me move all this out of the way and let's get our glue dots here. I'm going to actually use my Take Your Pick tool to apply the adhesive dots to the back here of our flower and leaf pieces. You can use your fingers too, but I love the pokey end of the Take Your Pick tool because it just makes it easy. Whoops, makes it easier, I should say, than trying to peel these with my fingers anyway. Okay, and then same thing with these pieces here. These we can use our tear and tape on. Woo! Just lost my Take Your Pick tool. Okay, so we're just gonna get a piece of that right on the back and do that long enough. We're just putting this right on. I love you don't even need scissors or anything for our tear and tape. All right, and then we're gonna put our flowers on. So let's see, we've got a leaf first. Grab my Take Your Pick tool again, because this is how I take the backings off of these as well. So we'll take our leaf and just looking at our directions here, I'm just going right off of that. We're gonna put one there. Then we're gonna take our flower, our darker one here. We'll just add that. So see, everything is all adhered. And then this one, we're gonna do the same thing with this flower. We'll overlap that a bit. And then with our other leaf, we'll just take that and we'll just slip this kind of right underneath there. We're gonna get our words here and we're looking for good times. Some good times, right? All right, so here's good. So we'll give us a good, and I love these are stickers, right? Oh, and then times right next to it. Well, that was sure convenient of them. And we'll put that right underneath there. So we've got our good times. And now let's put all of this together. So we've got our two pieces. We're going to add, this looks to me like Lost Lagoon. So our Lost Lagoon piece. And where's my Take Your Pick tool? See, I told you, it's much easier for me to use this than my fingers because I seem to not always, there it goes. But look, I can put this under, which helps, but if I'm using my fingers, well, there, now that one was easy, but usually it isn't. So this one I'm gonna put just kind of to the left of our striped piece. And then we will, there it goes, peel the back of this. We're gonna take, hey Ty, good morning. We're gonna take this one, and it looks like we're just gonna stick that right at an angle. And then our pocket here, we're just gonna put this right kind of over that so that it can hold whatever we want. And we probably could have moved this over a bit, but it'll give me room to write or whatever I need. So for this, we'll take a bit of the tear and tape again. This is our new kit that just launched. If you're just joining us, it's our new kit, a look back kit, which was released in the new October release. Do you have this one yet, Ty? Oh my gosh, this is I'm loving it. Pink and polka dots. I mean, I think they made it for us, girl. Okay, so there we've got our little pocket, and see the little leaf you could even put a little glue dot under there if you wanted, or you could just leave it open. And then it's gonna have us grab some letters here, feeling happy, so we could do that. And it's so easy. Let's just do happy for today. So it's so easy to line these up. We can use the lines on here as kind of a guide. So you can see, I'm just using the little scallop detail on the page as a little guide to create this. So and you know, I probably should use my take your pick for this too. That way they're not all stuck to me. And I can put them down easier, right? Okay, so let's try that. Grab another P. Well, let me get it started first. There we go. Okay, so we've got it started. And then if I use my take your pick, it will put that down just a little easier, right? And then same thing here on my Y, if you just kind of let it get up and then put that down. Happy, 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 right? And there's some exclamation points, and on our little design here, they have us do an exclamation point. I think this is so darling. So we've got the, you know, the top part of our exclamation point, and then they grabbed one of these hearts instead of using the dot. They grabbed one of these super cute hearts and put that as our exclamation point. So how cute. So they put feeling happy, I just did happy, but how cute is our little page here in our book? Our happy, happy page, right? All right, well, thank you again for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. You can find the replay of all of our Made Easy Mondays on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com. And I will be back soon for our next video. Tomorrow will be another Technique Tuesday, so stay tuned for that, and all week for all of our different fun. I love Made Easy Mondays. I love seeing what the artists put together for us and how easy, and I really love that it's all in one box. So thanks so much for supporting me. If you can't wait to get this, check out my online store and you can order it. It's still in stock, and they're actually even on sale right now if you're watching this in real time in October of 2024. Our kit sale goes on all month long, and even the new release kits are part of that. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon.